Hello guys, I'm greeting you on our channel. Right now I will choose you how to correctly activate the promo code, and I will show you how to get the maximum bonus up to $515. Our first step for this, we need to download the application from the official site. I will leave the link in the pinned comment, and in the description you can find our actual promo code. Our next step, go to the application, and if you have an account, then log out of it. After that, you need to click registration. There in menu registration you can see 4 variants. Right now I will choose in one click because it's easy way, but you can choose 3 other variants: by phone, code of your current country, your current phone number, current value US dollar, enter the current promo code is ZANOS24. Select your bonus on sport or on casino. I'm usually playing sport, and I will choose sports. Accept all the rules and confirm that I'm over 18 years old. Next, you need to tap on the green check mark, but I didn't because my number is not correct. But you will see on your screen after that your actual login and password, and I recommend you to screenshot this for your pleasure or change it right now. And final step, go to account deposits menu. In this menu, in order to receive a bonus, you need to replenish the balance in any way convenient for you. Balance is replenished almost instantly. Guys, if you have any question, ask them in the comments, I will definitely answer them. And if you want to support us, subscribe on our channel, follow the link in the pinned comment, and use our actual promo code for get the biggest bonus. Thank you for watching, thank you for your support, goodbye and good luck to all, have fun.